This is the Nokia 105 Africa Edition, made especially for use in specific African countries. The Nokia 105 has a 1.77-inch QQVGA display, a headphone jack and micro USB ports, an 800 mAh removable battery, 4 MB of internal storage and 4 MB of RAM. It runs on the Series 30 Plus operating system, has a max network speed of 2G, and it comes in a single or dual SIM edition. And it is for sale from 279 Rands. Let's see what you get in the box. Removing the plastic and opening the box, you will find the Nokia 105, a micro USB charger, the 800 mAh removable battery, and a user guide, which is very important for this device. Right, let's take a closer look at the Nokia 105 Africa Edition. On the front of the device are physical buttons unlike smartphones of today, as well as the 1.77-inch display. The polycarbonate back has no camera and feels well made. Underneath you will find the micro USB port and headphone jack, and at the top a flashlight. The back cover is removable, as this is where the battery and the SIM card go. This is bringing back loads of memories right now. After inserting the 800 mAh battery and your SIM card, which I'm not going to do now, you put the cover back on and then you are good to go. To turn on the Nokia 105, the power button, which also ends calls, is held. Pressing buttons versus using a touchscreen brings back memories for sure, and I'm loving the sounds that it makes from the single speaker located above the display. The device has a solid and modern design that fits perfectly in your hands. You can get the phone in either charcoal or blue. The inherent color minimizes the visibility of any potential scratches. The phone is also really light, as it only weighs 70 grams. The Nokia 105 runs the Series 30 Plus operating system and is really easy and simple to use. If smartphones are too complicated for you, then the Nokia 105 is what you need. Simply press the middle button in the direction that you want to go. You can listen to news, sports and entertainment on the go with the wireless FM radio without needing to plug in a headset.
We heard you going through a tough time, but we would like to lend you an ear. Just say that someone cares, someone's listening. We can't offer money, but we can offer a gesture of support, an affirmation. So if you know of someone who could...
The Nokia 105 also has a built-in torch to help you light the way when you're in the dark, thanks to load shedding. The Nokia 105 comes with preloaded games including Snake to keep you entertained, plus many more games. There is enough storage space for up to 2,000 contacts. I mean, I don't even know 2,000 people. Put in all of their details right at your fingertips. Plus, with room for up to 500 SMS messages, there's no hurry to clear out your texts. Nokia devices are known to last for days on end, and this device is no different, thanks to the 800 mAh battery. The Nokia 105 comes with a battery that lets you chat for hours on a single charge, and when you need to power up, you'll be doing it with the handy micro USB charger. When the Nokia 105 rings, you can choose from a few ringtones, but in particular the classic Nokia ringtone. I mean, why would you not use it in 2022? Overall, the Nokia 105 is really well made and it should last years and years, much like any Nokia device that I have seen. The Nokia 105 Africa Edition is available from 279 Rand from selected retailers. So if you're looking for an easy to use, uncomplicated phone, the Nokia 105 Africa Edition is definitely for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!